Hello friends, welcome to the Cloudweek YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and in this quick tutorial we will see how to migrate or copy iPhone contacts to Gmail. So first we will go to the contacts and then list in the iPhone. Now tap and hold on your all iPhones. Now click on export and here select all the fields and click done, and here you can save it to the files. Now all our iPhone contacts will be saved to the My Files. Now open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. And if you are not logged in with your Gmail account, so log in first. And here you can see the option to create contact and import contact. So here click on import contact and now click on the select file and here click on open. So now our file has been selected. Now we can click on the import button. So you can see the all contacts has been imported successfully. So now you can also log in this Gmail ID on any phone and then sync your contacts. So thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.